how to turn on notifications for your Apple Calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. If you want to receive alerts, then just open up your calendar and then go to calendar option in the top menu, head over to settings. There you'll find alerts, tap on it. You can choose the account and then you can choose the events. Let's say you want the notification at the time of event, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before. You can choose the time of your preference, and you can also choose all the events, and then you can also turn it on for birthdays, and then you can also choose to show shared calendar messages in notification center and show in invitation message in notification center. So this is how you turn on notifications and alerts on your Apple Calendar on your MacBook. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.